When you turn on your living room lights, pause for a second. What do you actually see? And more importantly, what do you feel? Is the room warm and inviting, or does it feel flat and harsh? Most homeowners often overlook the lighting. The bulbs are too cold, everything comes from the ceiling, and the corners are left dark. The problem isn't your furniture, it's that the lighting was never designed with intention. So, in this video, we'll walk you through 6 simple lighting tips that instantly upgrade good interiors, while also showing you the common lighting mistakes that quietly ruin them. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Tip number 1. Choose the right color temperature. Before adding more fixtures, fix the mood first. Color temperature controls how your entire space feels, even before you notice the furniture or layout. When a room uses cool white bulbs at 4000 Kelvin and above, the space often feels slightly harsh and sharp. White walls look bluish, and wood finishes lose their warmth. Even expensive materials can appear dull under the wrong temperature. Many homeowners choose cool lighting because it looks brighter, but brighter does not always mean better. Once you switch to warm lighting, ideally between 2700 Kelvin and 3000 Kelvin, the difference becomes noticeable. You still get warmth, but with slightly more clarity and brightness, which works well if your space has modern finishes but still needs comfort. Wood tones appear richer, fabrics feel warmer, skin tones look healthier and more natural at night. Once the mood is set correctly, the next step is creating depth. Tip number 2. Add accent lighting to highlight walls. Let's look at what happens to a living space without accent lighting. When the feature wall is lit only by ceiling lights, everything looks evenly bright but flat. The marble panel feels heavy instead of elegant. The wood slats blend into the background. The shelving cabinets look dark and boxed in. There's no separation between layers, no shadow, no visual hierarchy. Now, what happens when you add accent lighting? By integrating concealed LED strip lighting behind the marble backdrop panel, you create a soft halo effect around the marble. Instead of the surface looking heavy and flat, the light grazes the stone and reveals its veining and texture. Then, when you install vertical LED strips inside the shelving cabinets, it immediately gains depth. The cabinetry feels lighter and more architectural instead of looking like solid wooden boxes. Notice the difference. The wall doesn't just look bright, it looks layered. Accent lighting is not about adding more light. It's about placing light intentionally so materials can express themselves. Tip number 3. Use table lamps for eye-level warmth. Think about where you actually spend time, sitting on the sofa, reading, talking, relaxing. That's eye level. This is what a corner looks like without a table lamp. The light only comes from the ceiling, so the area is visible, but it feels unfinished and slightly cold. When you add a table lamp like this fabric shade table lamp, you lower the light source to a human level, and when light meets you at eye level, the atmosphere changes instantly. Instead of strong downward ceiling light, you get a warm, diffused glow that spreads softly through the fabric shade. The light feels controlled, not harsh. It gently illuminates the curtain backdrop and the lounge chair, turning that corner into a defined and inviting zone. Suddenly, the chair becomes a reading spot. The corner no longer feels empty, it feels intentional. You'll notice that nothing structural changed, but the space feels calmer and more welcoming at night. Tip number 4. Brighten corners with floor lamps. This is what a corner looks like without a floor lamp. It's visible, yet unfinished. The ceiling light reaches the area, but it doesn't define it. And this is a common mistake most homeowners make. When corners are left without their own light source, they visually collapse into the background. Even if the center of the room is bright, the perimeter feels weak. Now, look at what happens when you introduce a floor lamp in that exact corner. A modern fabric shade floor lamp in warm lighting creates a vertical glow that activates the wood slats and softly lights the wall beside the sofa. Instead of fading away, that side of the room becomes anchored. The lamp adds height, balances the composition, and connects the seating area to the architectural panel behind it. Now, the lighting isn't just coming from above and at eye level, it's rising from the floor as well. And when light exists at multiple heights, the room starts to feel structured instead of accidental. Tip number 5, install the properly scaled chandelier. This is how the room looks with only a small basic flush mount ceiling light at the center. The area feels wide, yet the ceiling light looks undersized and almost temporary. Most people choose a fixture based only on availability or price, without considering proportion. The result, the ceiling feels higher but emptier, and the center of the room lacks authority. Now, take a look at this properly scaled chandelier. Here, a modern multi-tier frosted glass chandelier with a brushed brass frame is installed at the center of the seating area. Notice how the diameter relates to the width of the sofa and aligns naturally above the coffee table. It doesn't float awkwardly, it anchors the composition. Because the chandelier has multiple frosted glass shades, the light diffuses evenly instead of creating harsh glare. The glow spreads across the seating area, making the room feel balanced and cohesive. Scale creates confidence. When the chandelier matches the proportions of your furniture, the entire layout feels intentional. Tip number 6, add cove lighting for architectural glow. Many homeowners stop once the visible fixtures are installed, assuming the job is done. But the light stops at the surface, and the upper edges of the room fade into shadow. The space is well lit, but it doesn't feel fully refined. Instead of leaving a hard edge where the wall meets the ceiling, you can create a soft, continuous glow outlining the entire room by adding concealed LED cove lighting along the ceiling perimeter. The light no longer shines only downward from the center. It now wraps around the room, balancing the chandelier above the seating area. Because cove lighting is indirect, it softens the shadows created by the other fixtures. The contrast becomes smoother, and the transitions feel more controlled. And that's the difference between a room that simply looks good and one that truly feels elevated. Good lighting is where the space truly changes, with light coming from above at eye level and from the floor, plus this subtle architectural glow framing everything. Your home doesn't just look better, it feels better. Not brighter, not louder, just more intentional. Because lighting doesn't just help you see your space, it defines how you experience it. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.